Beneath the Mediterranean and Atlantic, a titan roams, the Atlantic bluefin tuna. This living torpedo is built for speed, power, and endurance, captivating humanity for centuries. Its marbled flesh is a global delicacy, fetching prices that rival luxury cars. The pursuit is a high-stakes obsession, where fortunes are made and lost on the open ocean. European fishermen, heirs to ancient traditions and masters of modern technology, risk everything for a single successful haul. The bluefin's annual migration shapes entire coastal communities, but global demand has pushed the species to the brink. Now, the industry walks a tightrope between economic survival and urgent conservation. Join us as we dive into the world of the bluefin, its biology, the hunt, and the struggle to ensure its survival. To understand the hunt, you must first understand the bluefin. Thunus thinus is a warm-blooded, ocean-crossing predator, thriving from icy Atlantic currents to Mediterranean spawning grounds. It can reach over 10 feet and 1,500 pounds, shimmering blue and silver, a true ocean wanderer. Its endothermic physiology powers relentless hunting and creates the deep red marbled flesh prized for sushi and sashimi. Born in the Gulf of Mexico or Mediterranean, bluefin migrate vast distances, feeding and building valuable fat reserves. As apex predators, they help balance marine ecosystems, but decades of overfishing nearly wiped them out. The value of a single bluefin can reach millions, fueling a global industry, and its greatest vulnerability. This economic incentive drove a fishing frenzy, pushing the species toward commercial extinction. The bluefin's story is a paradox: strength and vitality, yet fragility born of immense worth. Its fate is a mirror of our relationship with the ocean. Catching a bluefin is a feat of modern technology and ancient skill. The hunt begins in the sky, with spotter planes searching for dark shapes beneath the waves. Pilots guide powerful purse seiners, massive high-tech vessels, toward the schools. On board, omnidirectional sonar scans the depths, turning the ocean into a digital map. Air and sea crews coordinate in real time, positioning boats for the perfect intercept. The fleet works as one, sharing information to corner their quarry. When the moment comes, tension spikes. The crew readies the net and instinct takes over. Timing is everything. A single mistake means the school escapes. Technology leads the chase, but the captain's experience seals the deal. This is the high-stakes dance of man, machine, and nature. Purse seining is the primary method for catching bluefin in Europe, industrial yet demanding precision. A colossal net, sometimes a mile long, is deployed in a circle around the school. A skiff races out, encircling the fish as the main vessel lays the net. The bottom is cinched tight, trapping the powerful tuna in a massive bowl of netting. The water churns with thrashing giants. The crew must work quickly and carefully to avoid disaster. The net is slowly hauled in, bringing the fish closer to the surface and the boat. In modern operations, many tuna are transferred alive into floating tow cages. These cages are towed to coastal farms where the fish are fattened for months to improve meat quality. This method allows for a controlled, orderly harvest and maximizes value. The entire process, from spotting to netting to transfer, is a test of skill and teamwork. Every step is critical. One slip, and the prize is lost. The bluefin's power is matched only by the determination of those who pursue it. This is fishing at its most intense. Long before high-tech gear, Mediterranean fishermen perfected the almadraba, a sustainable, ancient trap. Fixed nets, anchored in the path of migrating tuna, funnel the fish into a labyrinth of chambers. The system is set weeks in advance, relying on deep knowledge of currents and migration. When the final chamber fills, fishermen haul up the net, bringing the tuna thrashing to the surface. The harvest is a dramatic communal event, brutal, intense, and steeped in tradition. Almadraba is selective, its mesh lets juveniles escape, and it only catches a fraction of the migration. Though now a small part of the total catch, it remains a vital cultural institution in Spain, Portugal, and Italy. The almadraba is a living link to a time when the sea was respected, not conquered. It stands as a reminder of balance between humans and the ocean. Once a bluefin is landed, the clock starts ticking. Quality and value depend on rapid, expert handling. The fish is bled, gutted, and packed in ice or refrigerated seawater to prevent tuna burn. Every step is about preserving the pristine flesh that commands top dollar. Boats race to port where the tuna are unloaded, weighed, and tagged for traceability. Processing facilities on the docks keep the fish cold and ready for inspection. Buyers, often from Japan, assess quality and select the best for premium markets. The entire operation is a model of cold chain logistics, ensuring freshness from sea to table. In this business, speed and precision are everything. The best bluefin are prepared for market with surgical skill. Expert cutters break down the massive fish into prized loins. Akami from the back, toro from the belly. Otoro, the fattiest cut, is the most coveted of all. Every cut is precise. A skilled hand can mean thousands more in value. Loins are vacuum sealed, packed in ice, and rushed to airports for shipment, often to Tokyo's elite sushi markets. A tuna caught in the Mediterranean on Monday can be served in Tokyo by Wednesday. Not all bluefin go abroad. Many supply Europe's top restaurants and specialty markets. Some are processed into delicacies like ventresca or mojama, ensuring nothing goes to waste. This global supply chain connects coastal communities to the world's most demanding seafood lovers. Every part of the fish is valued, maximizing returns and honoring the catch. The bluefin story is also a warning about overexploitation. Soaring demand and advanced technology nearly drove the species to collapse. The crisis forced action. ICCAT slashed quotas, enforced strict seasons, and cracked down on illegal fishing. Painful for the industry, these measures worked. The Eastern Atlantic stock is recovering. Science, cooperation, and political will made it possible. Quotas are rising cautiously, but challenges remain. Illegal fishing and climate change threaten future stability. Continued vigilance and robust monitoring are essential. The recovery is fragile, a hard-won victory that must be protected. The bluefin's fate depends on our commitment to sustainable management. This is a rare conservation success, but the battle isn't over. European bluefin fishing is a tapestry of tradition, technology, and responsibility. Fishermen, often from families with generations at sea, now see sustainability as survival. The ICCAT plan proves conservation and profit can coexist. By respecting quotas and using selective methods, the industry can thrive without destroying its future. Fishermen are becoming stewards, knowing a healthy stock means prosperity for the next generation. Consumers play a role too. Choosing traceable, sustainable bluefin supports responsible practices. Our choices send a message. We value both the taste of bluefin and the health of the ocean. The bluefin's journey from near collapse to recovery is a beacon of hope. With commitment and cooperation, we can manage our relationship with the wild more wisely. The challenge now, respect the ocean's limits, and ensure the bluefin's epic migrations continue for centuries.